Yo, what is going on, guys? What's happening? What's happening, guys? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? How you guys doing? Welcome, y'all. Welcome to the stream. What's up, YouTube? What's happening, YouTube? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? We're gonna get started in just a bit, guys. Just setting myself up here. Just setting myself up here. Just a boy setting himself up. It's all good. What's good? Okay, we're currently live. We're gonna get started in just a bit, guys. Just want to go live also on TikTok as well. Just to make sure that everything is all good. You know, just to make sure that everything is fine. What's up, guys? What's up? What's up, chat? What's up, chat? What's good? What's up, chat? What's up? What's up? What's up, guys? What's up? Let me fix this. Let me see. Let me just make YouTube visible. Okay, I just want to make sure that the chat is visible on YouTube. Okay, I can see the chat, guys. I can see the chat. I can see the chat. What's up, guys? How you guys doing? What's up, guys? What's up? Apologies, guys, for the for connecting late. I was just trying to sort myself out, guys. I'm trying to like multitask. You know how it is when guys try to multitask, man. It's very difficult. Okay. So just let me know, guys, what's up with the sound. Let me know what the sound is. Everybody good? Can you see my screen? Can you hear me clearly, guys? I'm using two mics today. Imagine that, because I'm streaming on two different platforms. Okay, but hopefully we can get this thing cracking. What's up, Vivian? How you doing? How you doing? Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. What's up, TikTok? What's good, guys? How you guys doing? Welcome, guys. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, welcome. We're about to get started in just a bit. Just want to do a quick sound test. TikTok, are we good with the sound? Instagram, okay, not couldn't get Instagram on here. Okay, YouTube, are we good with it? Okay, sound is good. Okay, we just had confirmation that sound is good. I assume that TikTok is good because I'm using my good mic on TikTok. Sound is perfect. All right, all right. Yeah, guys. So what's up? What's up? How you guys doing? All right, everybody's good. Welcome, guys. Welcome again. Thank you for connecting. We're supposed to start at 9, but I just you know what it is, guys. I was doing grade 1 homework. That's what actually delayed me. I didn't think that grade 1 homework was that bad, man. It's just too much. It's just a lot, dude. You know. But yeah, I was doing grade 1 homework, and after that, I didn't think it was gonna take that long, and then that's basically why I started the stream late, guys. But 10 minutes is not that bad. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. So, anyways, guys, without wasting any time, let me just jump into this thing, okay? So, welcome again, once again, everyone. Everyone is welcome here, from the expert traders to the beginner traders. If you're somebody who's been trading Forex for years, and you know what your game is, you're welcome here as well. Everybody's welcome. Newbies, you're welcome. Intermediates, you're welcome. Doesn't matter how old you are. You can be 16 years old. You can be 60 years old. This is something that you can definitely do. Okay. And yeah, guys, it is what it is. It can be a man or woman. You can be anybody. You can do this thing. Okay. So even new people, like, welcome. Somebody who's, if there's some people on here who's like don't really know anything about Forex, you're welcome as well. You're gonna probably learn something here. Okay. Yeah, but anyways, welcome, guys. So let's just get this thing on the road, guys. I wanted, because I'm also like, I don't want my YouTube video to be too long. Okay. So let's just get into this thing, right? So just a brief of what we're doing, guys. I'm basically re-recording the training classes, right, for the different trading systems that we have. Okay. So today we are gonna look at the 15-minute strategy using the Fibble Quantum indicator. Okay, for those of you on YouTube, the link is in the description, or you can just text me if you need that indicator. All right. So basically, how it works on MetaTrader 4, guys. For those of you that don't know, and what we're going to do is we're going to add that indicator, right? And then we're going to put it on a 15-minute chart. And then on the 15-minute chart, we'll also add a 100-period simple moving average, so that we can actually filter out the good trades from the bad trades. But you're going to see what I'm talking about in just a bit. All right, so no need to worry. It's all good, right? If you guys have any questions, I think we'll leave a slot at the end, all right? But for the most part, to save time, I think I'm just going to continue and go, and then I'm going to look at your questions at the end, all right? But yeah, you can just type a question in the chats. Maybe someone might answer you. Then I will scroll back at the chats when I'm done, okay? And also, guys, a risk disclaimer, right? Our chats is because like our channel is growing, guys, okay? And then with all the growth, we're getting a lot of attention, right? So you guys who are listening on the stream right now, be very careful because there's some posers out there who are gonna want to try and poach you, all right? And unfortunately, this industry is full of fakes, right? So you need to be careful. Don't give anyone money who DMs you. You know, I won't DM you unless you DM me. you understand? You understand what I'm saying? So just be careful, guys, of these people who will just bombard your DMs, you know, saying all these sorts of things, Bitcoin nonsense, all this bullshit. Okay, so just be very wary of whatever's gonna happen. Right? People are gonna DM you, especially if you're chatting. If you're chatting here on the live, okay, they're gonna DM you. Just don't be a victim of these people. Be careful. All right. So let's get started, guys. Let's get started. Let's get started. Let's get started. But before I go, you guys are good. Last check, you guys are good. You guys are good. We're together. Everything's okay. Everyone's with me. You guys are with me, right? So I'm free to continue. All right. I think I'm going to continue, guys. All right. But just let me know if the sound cuts, if the video cuts, anything. Just let me know. Okay. So, guys, the 15-minute strategy, right? So there's one thing that you guys need to understand. You know, when you're trading Forex, you need to have um, the basic understanding of what's happening, all right? So you need to understand how the market moves, how it moves up, and how it moves down, okay? And then remember, the market has two actions, right? It can either go up or it can either go down, right? So you and I, we come into this market and we want to make money. And the way we do that is we have to predict through analysis whether the market is going to rise or whether it's going to drop, okay? So if the market rises, we have to open up buy trades, and if the market drops, we have to open up sell trades, right? Very simple, okay? So this trading system will help us to identify which are the buying opportunities, right, when the market is going to rise, and which are the selling opportunities when the market is going to drop. All right, very easy. Okay, and then we're also going to talk a little bit about when and what to trade. Okay, because remember, guys, we've got different trading sessions and different currencies, commodities move at different times of the day. For sure, you already know that. Okay, and then after that, we're going to touch a little bit on our trading checklist. Okay, the things that need to be present in order for us to actually place a trade. And then we're going to touch on the important part of trading, which is risk management. Okay, that's very important for us. Risk management is very important. Okay, so let's talk about the basics, guys. Let's talk about the basics. When do you buy and when do you sell? Okay, like I said, guys, you buy when you think the market is gonna go up, okay, and you sell when you think the market is gonna go down, right? Those are the basics of Forex. Okay, I'll say it one more time. If you think that the market is gonna go up, you're gonna have to open up a buy trade. If you think the market is gonna drop, you're gonna open up a sell trade. Okay, so now how do we see when the market is going to rise, and how do we see when the market is going to drop? Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, and I'm going to show you these things on the MetaTrader 4 chart, guys, okay, but I'm just going to explain them here, then I'm going to open up the charts so that you guys can see, okay, what exactly I'm talking about. Okay, so now when do you buy? Okay, in order to buy, guys, the market price, it must be above the 100 period simple moving average. I'll show you these things in just a bit. Okay, don't worry, I know some of you are panicking. What is the 100 period moving average? Okay, what is the price? Okay, I'm going to show you guys in just a bit. All right, it's okay. Okay, the price for a buy trade, it must be above the 100 period simple moving average. Okay, and then if the price is above the 100 period moving average, then you open up a buy trade when the actual buy trigger has been reached. Okay, and then the system also gives you a stop loss, it gives you a take profit level, right? And then now when do you sell? Okay, you sell when you think the market is going to go down. So how do you identify that? The first thing you need to see is the market must be below the 100 period simple moving average, okay? And then the sell trade or the trigger or the price level must be reached, okay? And then once that sell price is reached, that's where you open up a sell trade and you use the stop losses and the take profits that the system gives you. All right? Easy, guys. Easy, easy, easy. So let me just show you that on a chart, okay? Let me just show you that on a chart. Give me a second. Give me a second, guys. Trying to get this thing, okay? So I just pulled up MetaTrader 4 right there, okay? And if you look at the screen, guys, right? If you look at the screen, okay, let's look at a place where let's look at NAS 100. What happened on NAS 100 today? Let me just pop up NAS 100 on the screen right here. Okay, so that you guys can see this visually. Okay, so you can see this visually. All right, all right, all right. Let me just move this thing. So this is what happened on NAS 100 today. Okay, so now NAS 100 was a buy opportunity. Okay, it was a buy opportunity. Okay, now the first thing that was visible is the price, right? It was above this white line here. This white line, this moving line here, this white line that everybody can see, that's the moving average. That's the 100 period simple moving average, okay? So then if the price is above the 100 period moving average, you open up a buy trade, all right? You open up a buy, you look for buy trades above the 100 period moving average, okay? You don't sell above the 100 period moving average. You buy, okay? So that's the first thing. You look for a buy. You look for buy positions above the 100 period moving average, okay? And then when do you actually execute? You see what happened on NAS 100 today. The market rose and it hit the buy entry right there, okay? So this buy entry is valid because it triggered above the 100 period moving average, okay? Once you get a buy trigger, right, you need to get your exit points. Okay, you know when to get in, but you need to know when to get out. Okay, so the system shows you where to put your take profit, which is up there. The market actually did rise and hit the take profit. Okay, and then that's where you put your you place your take profit, and then now you put your stop loss where it says buy stop loss down there. Okay, if you can just look closely, that's where it is. Buy stop loss. Okay. That's how you look for, that's how you take a buy trade. This was a successful buy trade. All right. I can see somebody's requesting a live with me. I can't go live with you guys right now. Okay. Maybe tomorrow, some other time. Right. Right now we re-recording. Okay. If you don't know, but anyways, that's how you get a buy trade. Okay. Um, like I said, you don't sell above this white line. Okay, you don't sell above this white line here. You don't sell above that. You buy only. Okay, and then for sell trade, let me see when there was a sell trade. There was a sell trade last week. Okay, let me just show you guys. There was a sell. There were a couple of sell trades. There were a lot of sell trades last week. Okay, here's an example of a sell trade right here. Okay, well, here's an even better one right here. Okay, here's an even better one. Okay, so for sell trade, guys, you see this white line. The price must be beneath this white line there. Okay, it must be beneath the 100 period moving average. Okay, so when the price is below the 100 period moving average, you only look for sells. You don't look for buys beneath the 100 period moving average. Right? It's very simple to understand, guys. Okay, so now if the price is beneath the 100 period moving average, you look for the sell trades. Okay, so then when the market comes down and then triggers the sell, that's a valid trade because it triggered underneath the 100 period moving average. Are you with me, guys? Okay, and then obviously once you get your sell trade, where do you put your stop loss, your exit points? You put it where it says sell stop loss. That's where you put your stop loss, and then your exit points will be your take profit levels. Okay, so where it says take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, that's where you put your TPs. Okay, very easy, guys. Very, very easy. Okay, just to recap, right? Just to recap. So the first thing you do when you approach the markets, guys, you look at the 100 period simple moving average and you ask yourself, is the price above or below it? Okay, if the price is above the 100 period moving average, you look for buy trades and not sell trades. Okay, and then if the price is beneath the 100 period moving average, you look for sell trades and not buy trades. Don't buy underneath the 100 period moving average. Okay, guys, Even though sometimes you might be lucky and then it might break the rules sometimes. It does happen, you know. It's not 100% perfect, but you know it does happen. Okay? I'm not gonna say that it doesn't, but it does happen, right? So when that happens, you just use your own discretion. But those are the benchmarks. Those are our rules, guys. That's what we do, or that's what we look for. Okay? Very simple. Very simple. Let's just try keep it as easy as it is. All right? Let's just leave it like that. Okay? Let's not overcomplicate it, but let's rather take it easy. We know we need to take it easy. All right. So I'm gonna go through the rules one more time with the picture, right? With the picture image example. Okay. So buy trade, the price must be above the 100 period moving average. Okay. That white line right there, that's a 100 period moving average. Do you see it, guys? Okay. And then once the price is above the 100 period moving average, you look for buy trades. Then when the system tells you that the price has reached the buy level, or if the price reaches the buy level area, okay, that's where you open up a buy trade, and then you use the stop loss that are given, and you use the take profits that are given. All right, easy. Same thing with the sells. Okay, the price must be below the 100 period moving average. That indicates to you that you're in a bearish market, right? The moves to the downside are going to be more powerful than bearish market. Okay, and then once the system or the market reaches the sell price level, that's where you actually open up the sell trade, and then you use the recommended stop loss, and then you use the recommended take profit levels. Okay, so those are our entry rules, guys. That's how we see whether we're buying or whether we're selling. Okay, that's simple. That's simple. Those are very simple rules, guys. You know, very simple rules. This is the O triple G system. Okay, our day one. That's our day one, guys. That's our day one system. You understand what I'm saying? So yeah, those are the rules for buy. Those are the rules for sell. Okay. Now let's go back to our um our guide over here. Let's go back to our guide right here. Okay. So let's move on. So now we know the basics. Okay. We know the basics of how to take a buy trade and what we look for to take a sell trade. Okay. Let's just move on a little bit. Let's talk about more serious stuff. Okay. So now, guys, um, now since you know when or the basics of trading, you need to know what and when to trade. Okay. Because guys, the forex market, it runs like 24 hours a day, Monday to Friday. Okay, but just because like the market is open 24 hours doesn't mean that you know that's the best time to trade at any time. Okay, not every time is the best time to trade. Okay, there's specific times in the day where the market will move much more than other times of the day. Okay, so, what do you trade and when do you trade? So, one thing you need to think about, guys, you need to trade currency pairs, okay, or indices that are relevant to the current trading session that's there. Okay, there's three main trading sessions. Understand me, guys. Okay, there's more than three, but like the three that are the benchmark of the forex market is three. Okay, you've got the London session, okay, which is the London Stock Exchange. It starts when the London Stock Exchange opens, okay. Next, you've got the New York session, right? And then you've got the Tokyo session, right? Those are the three ones that rule the forex market. Okay, those are the heavyweights, right? If we're talking about three champions, those would be the three champions. Okay, those are the guys that make the most noise. Okay, so now what I'm trying to say is, when you make your trading list or when you want to trade, okay, you have to trade currencies, but with keeping in mind when the session is and if it's active in that session. Okay, so for example, if you're trading the US session, right? If you're trading the US session, okay, you need to trade currency pairs or indices that are active in the US session, right? Why is that? Okay, if you don't do it that way and you just trade at any given time, you might not have the momentum, the volatility, okay? Because sometimes the currency pairs that move in the US session might not be as active in the London or the Asian session or the Tokyo session, okay? And then sometimes you'll find that the currency pairs that move in the London session, they're not going to have much power in the US and the Tokyo. All right, same thing with the Asian session. Sometimes there's currency pairs, for example, AUD JPY, that will be volatile in the Asian session, but then like in other sessions it might lose some power. You understand what I'm trying to say? So you need to trade what is relevant to the trading session. Okay, so you look at your own trading schedule or whatever schedule you have, and then the time when you have that's free, you look at what session you're in. Okay, if you trade in the afternoon, you know that you're in the US session. You need to trade things like NAS 100, US 30, UJ, Euro USD, GBP USD. You know those big ones that move in the US session. So always keep that in mind, guys. It's very important. Okay, it's not enough just to know when to buy and when to sell, but you need to apply your strategy to the markets when it makes sense. Okay, when it's active. Okay, because remember, guys, like you make money when the market moves. Okay, if the market doesn't move, you're not making any money. So you need to trade when the market is moving. Okay, understand that, guys, understand that. And another thing that you need to keep in mind, guys, one thing that makes a lot of traders fail is the fact that they can't stick to their rules. Okay, they can't stick to their rules. So if you have a particular strategy that you're trading with, for instance this 15-minute strategy, you'll need to like keep to the rules. You have to execute according to what your rules say. You buy when the market is above the 100-period moving average, and you sell when the market is beneath that. Okay, you don't sell above the 100 and you don't buy beneath the 100. Okay, you need to stick to the rules. Okay, and then we also touched on trade according to your schedule. All right, guys, because like understand this, we're in different areas of life. Okay, we're in different industries, we do different things all day. Some of you, maybe you might have free time in the morning, some of you might have free time in the afternoon or the evening. So you need to look at when you're free to trade. Right, look at the times that you're busy in the day when you're free to trade. All right, you look at when your free time is, and then around that time you need to figure out which session that you're in. Okay, and then once you figure out which session is your free time, then you trade the currency pairs that are active in that time. Okay, so you need to trade according to your schedule. Okay, so if you're free to trade in the US session, then jump on that. If you're free to trade on the London session, then jump on that. Okay, and then if you're free to trade Asian, you can do that too. Okay, so for me personally, I trade the US session because that's the time when I'm free to do things. Okay, sometimes the London session, and then Tokyo session I'm sleeping. All right, we might find good moves in the Asian session, but usually I'm sleeping at that time. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm not even thinking about trading when I'm sleeping. Okay, so maybe in the London session, maybe, but it's very rare. Okay, but US session, I'm there every day. I'm there. You understand? Okay, so let's carry on, babe. Let's carry on. We're almost done. We're almost done. Okay. Okay, guys, let me see. Is anyone sending him an SMS to back up the? Oh, okay. You guys want me to back up? You guys want me to back up? All right, guys. But no. I'll just say what's on the screen, guys. Don't worry. Just try to listen to your boy. Just try to follow what I'm saying. You're gonna be all right. Okay. So, guys, here's the trading checklist. Okay. Here are the things that need to be present, or the things that you need to think about before you actually open up a trade. Okay. So the first thing, guys, when you approach the markets, okay, you have to ask yourself, is the price above or beneath the 100-period moving average? Because ultimately, that will determine whether you're going to buy or whether you're going to sell. Okay, so you look at the charts, and then you look at the 100-period moving average, and then you look at the price. Is the price above or below? Okay, if the price is above the 100-period moving average, you look for buy trades. Okay, and if the price is beneath the 100-period moving average, you look for sales. Easy as that. Okay, and then you just take the trades accordingly. Okay, and then once you're in the trade, guys, you have to know where to put your stop loss and where to put your take profit. The system gives you that. Okay, it shows you where to put the stop loss, shows you where to put the take profit. Okay, and then here's where a lot of people miss it. This last point here, you need to ask yourself, okay, now I see this trade, am I using the correct lot size? Okay, So this is where risk management comes into play, right? You don't want to use lot sizes which are too big, okay, for your account, right? You can't do that, okay? Otherwise, you're not going to be able to um, even handle a pullback. Because remember what I showed you last time, guys. When the market wants to go up, for example, okay, it doesn't just shoot up like a rocket. No, it moves like a wave. Okay, it goes up, then it pushes down, then it pushes up a bit further, then pushes down. Okay, so in that scenario, if you've got a lot size that's too big, okay, when the market pulls back, you're gonna get killed. Your account, even before it hits the stop loss, it's gonna be gone. Okay, so you need to use a sensible lot size. Okay, you need to know how much you are risking per trade. Okay, you need to know how much you're actually risking, how much you stand to gain, and how much you're risking. Okay, let's talk about risk management a little bit. Obviously, when you're trading, you have to use stop losses. Okay, you have to use stop losses. You can't trade without stop losses. All right, you have to use stop losses, guys. Right? You have to use the stop loss. Okay, and then you also need to trail the market. Okay, trailing the market is basically when you shift the stop loss and you're following the market, with the stop, and then if the market turns, it hits the stop loss, close the trade in profit. That's what you need to learn how to do. Okay, and then obviously you need to use sensible leverage, all right, for your account. Usually the broker gives us 1:500. Okay, if like you're a seasoned trader and you know what's up, that's fine. Okay, but then for somebody who's like still trying to find themselves, that might be a bit too much. Okay, but anyways, you need to use leverage that's in correlation with your trading skills. Okay, trading skills and knowledge. Okay, use correct lot sizes, and then know how much you're risking and know how much you stand to gain. Okay, that's how much you do. So you need to know, guys. It's very important because a lot of people, when they're trading, they just do it randomly. Like if you ask a person, like, okay, so how much are you going to win if you hit the take profit? They don't know. How much you're going to lose if you hit the stop loss? They don't know. Okay, so then how do you manage your risk if you don't know how to, like, if you don't know what's actually at stake? How do you manage it? Okay, because trading is all about managing risk. All right, it's all about managing risk. And if you want to do this long term, you have to get this unlocked. You have to use like all these things. You have to use the correct lot sizes. You have to use proper lot sizes. Okay, you have to my bad, manage your trades when the market is going in your favor. You don't just sit on your thumbs, but you have to like manage the trades, shift the stop losses and things like that. You have to do all these things if you want to stay in this game long term. You understand what I'm saying? You understand what I'm saying? And then also, like, somebody's talking about risk ratio, you have to know exactly how much like you're risking. Vele, you have to, guys. It's something that you need to consider. Okay, something that you need to consider. I'll go through the checklist one more time in relation to this strategy. Okay, the first thing you look at um, is the price above or below the 100 period moving average. Okay, and then you just trade according to that. Okay, if the price is above the 100, you buy. If the price is beneath the 100, you sell. Okay, and then use the stop loss, TPs, and then you think about the lot sizes. Okay, very easy, very powerful, guys. So that's the 15-minute strategy. Okay, that's a 15-minute strategy. I can take some questions right now. I didn't want to make this video too long because I don't want my YouTube videos to be extremely long. But as long as we here, we good. Okay, guys, I can take a few questions. Okay, I can take a few questions. But that's the strategy, guys. You guys understand? Okay, guys, I'm ready to look at some of your questions. Let me look at the chat on YouTube first. Let me go. Let me see. Okay, somebody's like, I lost a lot of money using without using stop losses. Yeah. You have to, and using a big lot size. Yeah. No, use correct things. Okay. Let me just see your questions, guys. Keep your questions coming. Okay, keep your questions coming. Now is the time to look at the questions. I'm looking at the YouTube video. It's a bit long, guys. It's 29 minutes, and I wanted it to be like a few minutes, man. I really wanted it to be like 15 minutes, but anyways, it is what it is. All right. Okay. Let me see. Let me start with Tinky 48. Tinky 48. Okay, no, he's answering someone's question. Okay, can you use only the one system, or do you have to use other systems as well? No, you can use just one system, whatever, whichever ones you want to concentrate on that day. It's all good. Okay, it's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Okay, guys, let me see. YouTube, you can start your questions. TikTok, you can start your questions as well. I'm looking. Okay, I'm gonna take one question on TikTok and then one question from YouTube, and then I'm gonna alternate. Okay, but just type it in the chats, guys. I'm gonna see. Okay. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. What is your YouTube channel? It's Mabs FX. Mabs FX. You see my TikTok handle. Just type that in YouTube. You'll find me. Okay. Telegram link on. But thank you so much, guys, to everybody who's answering the people. Please help me answer these questions. You know, some of you know what it is. Okay. Let me see. Will this video be on YouTube? Yes, definitely. Guys, this video, I'm live streaming on YouTube as well. Okay. When I'm done with the stream, you guys will be able to access the video on YouTube as well. Okay. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Somebody says they need help to set up an account. Okay, guys, don't worry. Tomorrow I'm gonna help you guys set an account. Okay, I'm gonna do it live. How to set up an account. So make sure I'm gonna start early for that. Okay, so maybe 8:30, probably. Just do that for you guys. Help you guys set up your accounts. Okay. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. What are the best markets as beginners? Okay, I think this person's asking what are the best markets to trade as beginners. I mean, like, look, guys, it doesn't really matter what it is that you want to trade, as long the most important thing is understanding a strategy. Okay, and then obviously once you understand the strategy, you can apply it to any market. Right, so you can trade the NAS 100, okay, or the US 30. All right, or if that's too high risk for you, you can go to Forex pairs, but Forex pairs will also make you sweat as well. I'm not saying that there's completely no risk with Forex. Okay. um Please tell us the different sessions. Okay, somebody's asking for the different sessions. Okay, there's three main tradings. There's actually like it's like 5 or 6. Okay, but there's three that matter. I hope I'm not hurting anyone's feelings. Okay, but there's only three um trading sessions that matter. Okay, it's the London session, okay, which is the best one for Forex, right? And then there's the US session, which is the also called the New York session, and then you've got the Asian session, which is the Tokyo Stock Exchange. Okay. Hey, you guys are typing a lot of questions, man. All right, I'm trying to keep up, guys. I'm trying to keep up. I'm trying to keep up. So when do you do indices? I do indices like in the US session. I trade US 30 NAS 100, the G Wagon, the G30, UK 100, Eurostox 50, and what's the other one? France 40. Okay. Okay, here's a very interesting question. How do you shift the stop loss? You modify it. Okay. There's a video, guys. For those of you who want to know how to shift the stop losses, what I'll do is when this stream is over, okay, when this stream is over, I'm gonna take a link and put it in there to show you like the video of how to shift the stop losses and things like that. So make sure that you're in the Telegram group. All right, make sure that you're in the Telegram group. Somebody's asking which broker do you use. Veracity Markets is the OG one. That's for the OGs. Okay, if you're South African, I suggest you do Veracity Markets. You can jump into Vault Markets. You can jump into Trade 245. There's quite a number of them. Okay, and then if you want to get a more offshore broker, there's Hugo's Way. I'll send the links in the Telegram group. So what you guys need to do right now is to stay connected to what we're doing. Make sure that you click the link in my profile bio here on TikTok, okay, and then go to where it says free Telegram channel, and then just join us up right there. Okay, get in the Telegram channel. You're gonna be sorted. All right. Let me see if I'm not missing anything on YouTube. How long does it take to master the strategy? I mean, like, if you understand the basic rules and then you figure out when exactly is the right time for you to enter, and you practice just a little bit, it just depends how quickly you understand. Okay, there's some people who got it the first week, some like it took longer, but it's quite it's quite a simple strategy. It's a very simple strategy. All right. Can you send the Telegram link here? No, I can't send it here because it's not going to be hyperlinked. Okay, so what you need to do, guys, if you need to go to my Telegram group, all right, just do that quickly right now. Click here on my profile, okay? Go on my page, and then on my page there's a link. Click that link, and then you'll see where to actually enter into the Telegram group, right? It's pretty straightforward, okay? I'm gonna take one more question. Then I'm gonna close the stream, okay? One more question, then I close the stream. All right. So let's take a worthy question. Let's take a worthy question, guys. Okay. Let's take a worthy question. Okay. So far, guys, if you want to get into contact with me, those are my handles. My Instagram handle is @mabs_trades. Same thing with Telegram. It's @mabs_trades. The way it is, that's how you spell it. And then my YouTube channel, Mabs Effects. WhatsApp, there's my number right there. And then you can also utilize that email address. Okay. One more question. Okay, please state the session times, guys. I'll post a link in the Telegram group where it will take you to the exact page where you can see the trading times. Okay, I'll do that for y'all. Okay, I'll do that on the Telegram group. Okay, so just make sure you join up in the Telegram group, guys. Get into the Telegram group. Okay, get into the Telegram group. Get into the Telegram group. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. One more question. One more question. Let's go, guys. I'm gonna stop the stream right now. How long did it take you to make your first million? I'm still trying to get there, bro. I mean, okay, like maybe over the years I might have reached that. Okay, but like 1 million day, dude, nah, I haven't. I'm not on that level yet. You know, I'm gonna be 100%, 100, 1,000. Okay, I'm not on that level yet. Okay, I'm not like that. What's that dude on Instagram? This dude is making like every week 3 million, 5 million. You know, I'm not on that level yet. Okay, but I'm working towards it. You know, like with you take it step by step, bro. I'll be there one day. Don't worry. I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna be there. Okay, so I think most of you are covered. For those of you who want to get into contact with us, that's what you see on the screen right there. That's how you can get into contact with me. If you have any questions regarding trading, you can holler at me on either of these platforms. But I prefer Instagram or Telegram. Okay, I might be a bit more quicker to respond on Telegram, but some people told me that I'm quicker on Instagram. So I don't know any of those things. I'm probably gonna be there. Okay, I'm gonna try to be there quickly. All right, but yeah, guys, thank you so much for joining up. Oh, I didn't see that we had like 4,000 likes, baby. 4,000 likes. We got 4,000 likes on TikTok. Please, guys, like my stream on YouTube. Come on, do it for your boy. Do it for your boy. All right, do it for your boy. Just like my stream so that more people can see this thing. Okay, do it for a man. But anyways, thanks so much, guys, for joining up. I think at some point we had about 400 people on the stream. Okay, which was pretty good. And then moving forward, guys, tomorrow we are going ahead and going to talk about the 30-minute strategy. Okay, so it's kind of similar to this one, but not really, because it's a bit more larger term trading. Okay, so I'll see you guys again tomorrow over here at 9 p.m. Right, 9 p.m. But I might even log in earlier just to show some of the guys, you know, how to set up accounts and things like that. Okay, join the Telegram group, guys. Make sure you join the Telegram group. Get in the Telegram group. YouTube, I'm shutting down the stream. Okay, I don't want to make this video extremely long. We're already running on 40 minutes. Okay, but make sure that you join in to the Telegram group. Okay, for those of you guys on YouTube, the link is in the description. Okay, all the links are in the description. Just jump in, read down there. You'll see what it is. Man. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night. 5K, baby. We on 5K. Thanks for the love, guys. Thanks for the love. Really, I appreciate the love, baby. I appreciate the. If I could hug you guys, I'd hug you guys like right now. You know what I mean. Thanks for the love. I really do appreciate that. Okay, I really do appreciate that. All right. But anyways, guys, good night, guys. Good night. I'm shutting down the stream. I'll see you guys tomorrow, same time, same place. Let's get it. You know, let's get it.